It's a rainy day at the barn here. I'm about to feed lunch to these guys and feed grain to the ponies. Yeah, we hear you. And then I'm gonna do some stretching today and hopefully give Z a bath. I made sure to ride, made sure to ride first thing this morning. So I already rode Z and Rex, and then I'll hopefully ride Richie in the indoor later this afternoon or lunch him. But I already got a couple horses worked this morning, which is why I kind of have to like finish up chores still. So let's finish up some chores, and then I want to do some stretching with Z and give him a bath so that it looks like it's gonna be warm enough to clip him tomorrow, because it's like 55 today and 60 tomorrow. So let's get right to it. Yes, I hear you, Quiz. We all hear you, Quiz. I just finished doing Rexy's stretches and working on his tail a little bit. And then I put some Pink Stuff coat conditioner on, so that's why he is standing with his halter naked. Before he gets his blinkies back on, I'm gonna let his skin dry. As usual, I have made quite a mess this morning because I always like panic on rainy days that I need to get stuff done before it's like pouring and you're cold, and so I have, in typical Emily fashion, made a mess. I have to go upstairs really quick before we bathe Z and check to see if I have a cooler here or maybe in my trunk. Gotta look around. I'm gonna wrap these up and then re-blanket Rex. He should be dry before I go find a cooler and get Z-Man. Z got some Magnawave for the first time yesterday, which was fun. We're trying just to help with the lack of good circulation in his front legs, mostly his fetlocks. So trying that out per my vet's recommendation, and see if it just helps him all over too. So that's fun. Carrots. Okay, let's go snoop around for this cooler before we start the bath. First snoop spot is obviously my trunk, and I have way too many blankets that I'm letting take over my space. Tear this apart, and I really feel like I put them upstairs for some reason. Having two horses, I really need two blanket bars, but I only get one, which is why everything's overflowing everywhere. Okay, let's go check upstairs. Fingers crossed. I low-key just searched everywhere and can't find my cooler, but I don't know, maybe for some reason I took it home. Or maybe it's actually at the bottom of my trunk and I just didn't dig deep enough. But either way, I'm gonna use Richie's today so that we can just get to it. So I'm gonna go get this goober and bring him in here for a warm bath. He's gonna be thrilled. So my pal here has gotten pretty fluffy already. He definitely is in need of a second clip. So I'm gonna give him a warm bath today so that hopefully he's clean enough to clip him tomorrow because he is quite dirty. He loves rolling. However, despite being dirty, his weight looks really good and he's building great top line. So I'm super happy with his progress overall. He's not standing up right now. Can you stand up? Stand up. Good boy. He's gonna rest his leg again. So I'm really happy about that. He looks really good. Before I bathe him real quick, I'm gonna run through a few of his stretches. We're not gonna do, let me see. There's nothing there. I'm gonna run through a few of his stretches. We're not gonna run through all of them today, but just a few for him. He has trouble standing still. I don't really know what that's about. So his stifle stretches are one that I do daily at this point. And it's definitely been helping because his stifle is definitely getting stronger and it's not locking up as much. The tummy lifts are another one that he's doing daily. You're okay. Oh, so now I'm doing some. You're okay. Tail rocking. You're all right. I don't know, I just think he looks pretty good right now, so I'm pretty happy with his progress. It's been a long road for us. As someone who's been going to the gym a lot, I've really started to learn the benefits of stretching. So, and I find that stretching for me personally is the most beneficial right after I work out. So I've been doing that mostly with my horses. Good boy, he really likes that once he gets into it. You have to stand on all 4 feet, probably. Yeah. Showing off your trick. Dakota wants a carrot. Good catch, Dakota. Oh, you're cheating. You're really insisting on not sharing with Dakota? Okay, fine. That's because I tried to be cute about it. Okay, I have a feeling he's not going to be the biggest fan of this, but oh well. Yeah. Also, honestly, I'm being really lazy today and I'm not going to dig my hands-on gloves out of my trunk, so I'm just gonna use a gel curry. Lazy, lazy, lazy though. I do not think this is the best way to do it. The parts I'm most focused on today are like his neck, shoulder, and belly because that's where I'm just gonna re-clip the same clip. But also, those parts of his body are the most exposed to dirt when he rolls, unfortunately. Oh, does that feel good? You're so silly. Good? He definitely has some feelings about this today. Yeah? He really hates water running down his body, so he hates being rinsed. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Mr. Drama. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then we'll get back to it. Once he settles down, I think he kind of enjoys being pampered. I'm sure he would argue, but you're like, okay. I'm just putting some of this rebuilder in the top of his tail, like where his tailbone is, and then he's gonna go chill in the cooler. Okay, this goober is drying in his cooler and I am gonna wrap him up and put him away. And that's pretty much it for today. I have to get to PM chores and it's raining, so I'm gonna do that without my camera. But thanks for coming along today and I'll see you guys next time.